The Sand Roads was trade between North and West Africa, which had began with West African people trading along the Niger River. The Sand Road was the term used to describe the trans-Saharan trade as well. North and West Africa had very different environments, so they had different goods to trade with each other. North Africa mainly produced cloth, silk, and books to trade, while West Africa mainly produced grain, yams, and kola nuts for trade. The sand roads had peaked between the 8th and 17th century, which were the years 700 to 1600, and they had used camels to travel in what was known as caravans. So that would include large amounts of people traveling by camel instead of just one person. Since the trans-Saharan trade routes were routes that linked West and North Africa, this is where most of the interactions are. They brought new goods to different parts of Africa and connected African cultures through things like religion and language, which would have been Islam and Arabic. Because of the interactions that happened on the sand roads, there were many very important impacts that were left behind. Some of the most important, I believe, are the spread of Islam in North Africa, which also led to Islam's culture spreading, making Arab the legal language of Africa. It also led to the rise of Mali, Songhai, and many other empires. These wealthy trading empires were formed because of the sand roads. The sand roads also produced many positive impacts as well as some negative ones. Some of these positive impacts were the increased connections between countries, and similar to the lasting impacts, they helped with the spread of religion and culture. But the negatives were that it increased warfare over wealth and power, and that North and West African slave trade increased as these wealthy rulers bought more slaves.